In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Google Chrome ERR too many redirects error. So the first fix we can do is head over to this three dot icon at the top of your browser, then select delete browsing data. So here select all time, then make sure that you tick the box beside cookies and other site data and cached images and files. The other settings, you can uncheck it if you want, but make sure that you select cookies and cached images and files. And once done, click on the delete data button. Next, head over to the start menu and simply open up the date and time settings. So here, check that your time zone is correct. Also enable set time automatically setting. And now scroll for a little bit and make sure that you click on the sync now button. And make sure that the date and time is synced properly. The next thing you may want to do is if you have any VPN or proxy active, make sure that you disable them. Next, head back to Start menu and this time look for Network Connections and open it up. And here, look for your network adapter and double click on it. And once this windows pop up, look for the Properties button and click on it. And here, double click on Internet Protocol version 4. And from here, make sure that you select Obtain an IP address automatically. The same with this one, DNS server address automatically. But if this is already set as your default settings, you might not need to change anything here. And once done, simply press OK. And the last thing you may want to do is head back to Start menu and this time open up Command Prompt by typing CMD. And here, simply type in ipconfig, then space slash flush DNS, then press enter. Then next, type in netsh, then space winsock, then space reset, then press enter. And from there, you should see a note directing you to restart your computer. And so all you have to do is restart your computer and the prompt should be fixed. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching this video and see you again on the next one.